Hello guys, once again and welcome to the third tutorial on ModLoader. And today I'm going to answer a question that Shanecraft questions me in the Minecraft forum. And he wants some kind of pages in our GUI, like having, I'm sorry about this, having that page, and then when we click the button we go to the other page. So first let's change our text in our button to go to next page, and then what I think it's easier, we just create a variable, so public int variable, and we call it page. Up here in our constructor we initialize it, so page is going to be equals to 0, and then in our action performed we can check if the button with the ID of 1 is pressed. So to do that, just write if GUI button, button dot ID it's equals to 0 to 1, page is going to be 1. So we start and the page is 0, and this is displayed, and this. Once we click, the page goes to 1, and we want another thing to be displayed. So in our init GUI, let's just say if page it's 0, this is going to be shown, and if page it's 1, we can copy this, paste it inside, and let's say go back, and we need to change the ID to 2. So once that is done, let's go ahead and come to our draw screen, and let's say if page it's 0, this is going to be displayed or writing in the screen. So let's say this is the page 0, and if the page it's 1, we can copy this, and this is going to be the page 1. Well, now that this is almost done, we need to add one thing here in the end, and that is super.drawScreen, and the variables are just fine. Now let's see what this does. Once our variable createCity reaches 100, this GUI will pop up, and because the page starts at 0, it will show the one button that says go to the next page, and a string that says this is the page 0. Once we click the go to next page button, this is page 1 will show, and go back button will show. But to do that, we need to reinitialize it once we click the button. So init GUI to reinitialize it, and because we haven't coded the go back, nothing happens. So let's code it. It's very easy. So just write if GUI button dot ID it's 2, the page goes back to 0, and we can initialize it again, init GUI. So this is a very simple thing, and I can show you that this thing works. Let's run the program. Let's create another world, because this one, yeah. So let's just wait this to load. as you can see, once our ticking reaches 100, we will get our GUI right now. So this is the page 0. If we click to go to the next page, we are in the page 1, and we can go back to the page 0. Page 1, 0, 1, 0. Very easy. And we can add as many pages as we want. This is the way I found to be easier, but if we have a lot of pages, I recommend using the switch and case statement to do it easy. I think it's easier to do it that way. You can always use the if statement, but it may get you like a lot of space. So I hope, Shancraft, I hope that your question was answered, and I hope that this will help you and everyone else that watches my tutorials. So if you guys want more tutorials, please leave a like on this or subscribe to my channel. That really makes me happy and makes me want to continue doing these tutorials. And if you guys have any question, post it in the topic or in my channel that I will try to answer, like I did to Chaincraft. So till the next episode, guys, peace out.